You see the emergence profile is very imperative. To me, the doctor prep as much as possible facial reduction. Regarding finished 25 unit cases is top and bottom, is maxillary and mandible, and full mouth restoration. It's not like the McDonald's cheeseburger, okay? It's not easy. So when we know the full mouth concept is much easier than trying to train my colleague and probably dentists too. Today's I do have a great 25 unit cases. The other 3-4 unit will be implant site. So will be Pontic is open, so doctor's not going to do the bridge. So doctor is going to do single restorations, and also after they put it in the cemented 25 unit, and doctor will going to place implants, so make individual restorations. I would like to share with the knowledge about 25 unit because you have to set up the existing patient, which is we can see more my photos, and from that, first we have to know the vertical dimension decided, and second I need a full patient face photo, which is I just show them, but sometimes patient doesn't want to show them, that's why I cannot show you, but they can hide it. But I want eye to nose and mouth. I need a rest position and bigger smile, and then you can show them the side view, retract it, and then you can show them the before too. Now the other side is most imperative. The most dentists had a problem, I'm sorry, but they have a bite record, okay? So in order to they prep the top and bottom, they lost this vertical dimension. So like Dr. Paul tried to did it, they have to make the wax up, so make the good temporary, or after make the temporary, or they can set up the segment, okay, 3 segment, 1, 2, 3. So make the temporary upper, entire, good, lower, prepped it, and then you can see the one by one side. So prep, temporary, prep, temporary, prep, temporary, okay? And then vice versa, upper, temporary, and then here's a temporary, here's a prep. Temporary prep, like that. So this video can give you the good explain regarding 25 unit cases. Believe me, 25 unit cases, full mouth cases, it takes more than probably 3-day courses, okay? So 72 hours, you should have to understand. But in order to match this 10-minute video is very tough. I'm trying to explain the occlusion, but it's very minimum. I said curve of Spear and Wilson, so then lower jaw is moving. But it's luckily, doctor made a temporary. So I'm trying to follow the temporary, but I have to make them better fine-tune the human scale, and then to make the better engineer things, which is color, texture, and the size of the tooth, and those kinds of things we have to mimic it to get the occlusion content. Okay, so I hope this video will help. But like I said, this kind of 25 unit cases, it takes about 3 days courses. Okay, so but I'm trying to explain what we did, and then what patient looking for, and then what do we need from the laboratory side, and then dentists have to prepare what I need from them, and then they can get a pre-sure the perfect restoration. Not my laboratory, and you in your laboratory, if laboratory does not know, they have to train the laboratory to get the best prosthetic for our patients. All right, thanks for watching. So I can have a lot of video here, and thank you very much about all social media follow, and then stay tuned. We'll bring more live case, practice case, trying to help you better our industry as well. Have a great day. All right, this is upper looking with the natural light, and with the lack of room, and then we maximize it and color, and we made a good symmetry with the subtle surface texture. Okay. And then we finalize it, and then color with the restorations. All right, this is what it look like with the natural light and individual restorations with a good symmetry, and the incisor edge in the facial and then with the envelope function, and then make the good subtle membrane, the good symmetry between the 40s and the K9 to K9 and vocal corridor. We finish that one as good as possible. To see the emergence profile is very imperative. To me, the doctor prep as much as possible facial reduction the best he can. But the laboratory size, all the time we need more facial room because we have to create it the better anterior design. So my part is slightly tough, and then I can show you this is very, you see, there's a behind the story is lack of room, but my facial room is about 4/10 millimeter. Trying to make this good occlusion content is another beauty. And we have to do the good same alignment. I can see Dr. did a great job, and then our restoration have to be proper, but I don't want to make it's a really problem. But fortunately, prep color was not dark, the same as the normal. So doctors using our custom shade, which is zirconia shade guys, CD3 and CD4, which is better than 1-3 and B1 color. So we make the good incisor translucency and the symmetry and a good profile for that. So it's upper, we'll finish it like this. Okay. Now lower terms is another important thing. So we have to see the occlusion speed and the curve of speed and curve of the Wilson. So we're trying to make this better contours as good as possible. Okay, it's good occlusion scheme. Then we have to go to the occlusion contact like here. Okay, of course we're mounting definitely with semi-adjustable articulations, and this is the finals. We send it out to all the way Colorado. Okay, so that's another beauty for the final restorations, and we're trying to explain to you is a better profile for that, and then we're trying to make the patient happy as much as possible. So regarding 25T, this is full mouth restoration. The doctor sent it from the Colorado to Chicago. The reason I'm trying to show you guys, which is really great information for laboratory in order to finish the 25 unit, such as whenever they make the doctor's bite is very imperative. So doctor give us the temporary make the bite, and then here's another lower temp to upper preps. This is a cross mounting. Okay, so here is upper temps to lower preps, and here, and then doctor gave us this good baseball. Then I can see the midline and horizontal compared to the temporary what patient has it, and then we're mounting with the penadent articulations. Okay, so now this is a really good effort from the dentist side. It's just patient did not know. Patient have to understand how much doctor gave us the good information from impression taking 1 and 2, the same impression, and here's the 1 and 2, the same impression, but same prep. Same prep and study model impression and study model impression. So once they starting with the 25 unit from the before, they have to set up the vertical dimension, which is Dr. did it, is Dr. Paul Charles is prosthodontist. He made it good, the vertical dimension and size of the tooth from the top and the gingiva to incisor. and the incisor engraver, those kinds of things. So whenever we got the laboratory, I'm a dental laboratory technician, I have to pull up the model from the temporary from those, so which is we got the rough temporary from here. Okay. So once we have to mounting together. Okay. So like doctor says, so now we have to using the lower temps with the upper prep. Okay, such as this. Then we have to take it out and then put it back. All the time you have to trim the even, okay? So excess is not interfere. So make thin as possible. So then we can make sure the lower temp, and we can get the, see here, okay, the bite and the upper like here. I'm just showing the what look like, so we get the mounting and both sides from here to there, and then we can mounting together. We call cross mounting is very imperative. Okay, so we use the both anterior left and right side so to make the bite. Not only that, we have to using the same direction. What I said previously is different. Opposite side, upper temps to lower prep. So we just cut it here, and then we mounting together. So then we know the exact size from the gingiva and the incisor. We're trying to match it. And then the regarding impression is very good impression. I don't have any problem. And then we create it, and as good as possible. It's nice retention too. It's preparation. So my job is here improving the aesthetic